Alright guys, I'm not making this right now to flex on you at all. It's literally Conroy texted me at 4:54, and I don't know if you see it. What time is it now? It's 5:01. Oh shit, the camera's gonna die. But literally, Samsung cut guidance for phones, and this is crazy. I literally, like right when I got the text, I walked out of the gym. I gotta make a video. I wanna read the full report. I'm gonna talk about it with you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna, I think I might talk about this now on my drive home. Let me actually just get going. I can't get caught up here. I gotta put my seatbelt on though, but y'all just pray for me post after the fact. Oh, this bitch trying to back out too? It's dangerous, man, Samsung. But why I'm freaking out is for two reasons. One, what this means about the expectations. It's gonna have a slightly different effect because this is Samsung. Samsung is traded on the Japanese indexes or whatever. I don't know which. Again, for this, I want to make sure everything is factual for you, so look into it. But this is amazing because you guys saw with Apple, but why I'm freaking out, I bought a bunch of puts. You guys heard me today. I remember I was on stream and I said I'm buying 100 puts, and someone said, wait, you're buying 100 strike puts? I said, no, I'm literally buying 100 puts. And dude, if I'm gonna get so mad, I was gonna try to buy 100 Facebook puts at close, but I didn't get them. But essentially, man, this is crazy because I was talking about it, but I was surprised that it happened this fast, but I was kind of expecting it. We had on stream, we talked about it. It sucked. I want to talk about it, but I don't, because again, I think you guys are with me on the same page. I know you guys, you know, we have that option, because I don't want to be like, oh, we talked about it privately in this. We talked about it after the fact in that last hour between, but I did talk about this all day on market. I brought it up a few times. That's why I'm saying you guys should definitely check out the stream, but this is going to have huge implications. So now what I was talking about, man, this is a lot of traffic. Ugh. Shit, what I was talking about of what's gonna make this different per se is going to be the influence now being traded on a foreign index. This is gonna have more an effect on the Asian companies. So when I get home, I wanna check this. I think we're gonna live stream. I think I might have to do this. I might live stream from like while I'm showering off in the gym. But, oh, my arm hurts, a lot of traffic. But again, hopefully you guys are seeing that this is now developing, and I said it even today, I needed just one more piece of extra news to get my decision on kind of what's happening, and the outlook is setting for 2019. This is one thing after another. I don't know when the markets are gonna catch up to it, but as you see, this was something we talked about. The likelihood was low to happen, but it occurred, and now go look at every video, whether it goes up or down, but now, guess what's gonna happen, you guys? This is just another piece that gets included into the pie, and now it's gonna price back in the Apple move. It's gonna price back in Powell. It's gonna come back into that. So, but we don't know which pricing is, I guess, gonna have the biggest influence. Dude, my arm is hurting, man. But this is, you guys, again, I need to calm down. I need to calm down because I think this is just me. I don't want you guys to get all crazy because you saw with Apple, it's gonna be exciting. But now, here's the question you guys should be asking. What is the next company? I say Microsoft, I think Facebook. Some of these are gonna come out, but it's the timing of it. So I think this is weird because of the timing. I'll go on stream once I get this up and posted, because I want to make sure you guys are aware. That's why I'm thinking if I shoot this now, you guys go look into it, and then, oh shit, what time is it? All right, good. We're gonna have to cancel the 5 o'clock video, or the 6 o'clock. This is gonna be the new one, so. But you guys start looking into this. We're gonna go over the filing, and it is gonna be a little different being an Asian company, and that's the biggest thing. But now, we're seeing smartphones. I think the next play is gonna be this supply chain, but now how this has a play, again, like I said, it adds everything to this week, but now the next question is, what else is this going to now affect? Does this take the rate hike? When you wanna meet the internet guy? Oh, it's a crazy deal. I was like, what is he saying? Hold on, I forgot what I was saying. But yeah. I forgot what I was gonna say, but I think I remembered. I was just gonna tell you guys, start looking it up, because I'm reading it and there's two things that they say, whoa, 18% less than expected. That's what I'm getting here. But now they're saying that it's going to be far worse. But now this is the key that brings up something. We talked about it, man. There's so many things that happened today. I'm thinking, go watch this stream, you guys. I said it today specifically. I said it reminds me of the Apple day. Qualcomm was going up, Apple, Facebook was going, things were amiss. So I don't know, people want to say fake markets, people want to say manipulation, but I think you could have just seen it. But the fact, here's this report. I'm on my phone right now, okay? So you guys are seeing, this is how I'm doing. I literally left the gym. This news came, I want to go. I wanted to make a video, but I also want to start looking into this. Damn, I wanted food, but like I was saying, you guys see, I left, I can't get food, but I'm trying to prepare so I could be up and early tomorrow. But here's the craziest part. Tomorrow, I just want to get more information. The urgency of me leaving really has nothing to do with it. So you guys can see, you don't have to be just like I am. I'm just crazy, okay? But your schedule, because at the end of the day, I made all my plays today. I'm gonna wake up rich tomorrow, richer. That's how it goes. And I was even saying swings, you could scale in a little bit, but I was even cautious. But I said it even at the end. I said tomorrow we're gonna get a big wash up or down. All those call premiums are gonna get fucking murked. Even if tomorrow's just gonna gap down, come back up, sell off, or it's gonna do something weird. But again, the volatility is ours, the opportunity is there, and we talked about it. And the best part is for you guys to go back in the stream. But again, the point here isn't the stream. Let's keep going. Earnings, dude. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Memory chip now. So I said things were amiss. That's the first headline I read. They're saying memory chip slowdown. That is gonna affect AMD, it's gonna affect Micron, it's gonna affect Intel, and then Microsoft. And that's what I'm saying. And that was the next level I was coming after. I was saying there's smartphones, and then I even talked about, that's why I got the Starbucks puts. I explained it on the after hours, why especially, and I gave a crazier example, but I talked about it with you guys where I said the value stocks will get attacked. But it's gonna have implications, and right now there's messages being sent through the market, and it is either causing panic or it's reaffirming it. But you know, this isn't, what I'm saying is like, it's so surprised this happened, but this isn't good, because now regardless up or down, this has added a way more confusion, way more fear, way more volatility. So how everything escalates from here, you guys are gonna have to be very cautious. That's why I'm saying the information is just key. But let's see, due to chip grower company, South Korea giant predicted operating profit for the 3 months ended was approximately 9.67 billion, which was below the up 30 and a 38% drop from the previous quarter. Wow. Okay, I'm not reading and driving. I'm in traffic. I'm kind of reading and driving. Maybe it's auto. Actually, Mercedes has half autopilot thing, so it's kind of works. But anyways, said Tuesday that its fourth quarter earnings likely decreased sharply due to lackluster demand in memory chip business, as well as growing competition in the smartphone segment. Southern Korean tech giant predicted operating profit for the 3 month ended December was approximately, just what that, consolidated sales for the fourth quarter predicted to be about 5.9 trillion won, lower than the 59, lower than the 62, 10% down from the third quarter. Said weaker than expected demand and a notable drop in memory chip prices. For the smartphone business, is essentially stagnant smartphone market led to a decline in profitability. So 13% decline. They're gonna disclose. I'm surprised I didn't just get my ass honked at. They're gonna disclose the earnings and in a month later, and that's the thing. We have to see what's gonna happen, because Apple and all those other companies, they need to come out here. So comes as Apple lowers revenue and grows, concerns over slowing in China. But now that's the thing. So they're Korean, but International Trade said the trade war may pose higher risk to both Samsung and its chip-making rival SK Hynix. This is going to be, it's just going to be wild, you guys. You know, for this to occur again, this is escalating. And it go back to the video, we're comparing it to even 2001. This is the same thing. This is just when you guys start to see the warnings like this. Companies don't do this for a long time. The first time Apple issued that warning was 16 years ago. That's the first time in 16 years. I haven't been trading that long. You know, this is interesting. These are big companies, and we were talking about, I remember Conrad said it on the webinar, he's like, when you start to see the big names start to give up like this, but I also think if you've watched the stream, we've talked about the many political elements. The fact is these are messages being sent, because when the market sees this, you see how things sell off. So this could be adding more pressure for a trade deal left and right, whereas these companies and people, as they start to see this, they're gonna say, hey, look, you know, we got to do something. But it's clear. I have so many videos to talk about now, because I was going to talk about deflation, trade war, the currencies, but right now I'm almost home, so I'm going to get to put this video up right at the end of this. Well, you guys, before we get on stream, start looking this up. Let's go. I know it's going to be a foreign filing. You will be able to get it, but let's look at the currencies, see what's going on with the world here. But now, it's like I said, you don't have to be crazy on it. We're just going to stream the talk, so it's not like anything is going to happen. We'll watch futures, but ultimately no decisions on, we won't really get an idea till we see the futures market and the Asian and European markets. But at the end of the day, pre-market, yeah, it's a bitch. So like we've said, expectations, throw them out the window. As you guys see, it's shattering them left and right. I have been right on a few times, but even then, this is I'm surprising myself, where I'm like, okay, this is getting, you know, we do need to approach a lot of caution here. So get ready, get excited. Don't get excited, actually, fuck that. Just be smart, think about it, subscribe, like the video, drop me a comment. What do you guys think, man? How many of you heard me babbling about this on the stream? And how many of you are ready for an exciting 3 months, man? It's not even exciting 24 months. I'm excited, man. All right, let's go.